Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your BJ's Mastercard. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in bjs.capitalone.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official BJ's website. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you can click on Set up my account. And if you do have one, just click on the sign in button to proceed. You will now be asked to enter your login credentials. Just go ahead and type in your username followed by your password and then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your Mastercard with BJ's. In case you forgot your username or your password, you can click on the Forgot Username or Password button underneath the sign in box. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your BJ's Mastercard. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.